Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Arielle, and today I'm going to show you how I melted and styled this hair that I got from Eullair. So I have a 22-inch deep wave 13x4 lace front wig. This is how the hair looks when you receive it. The waves are really beautiful. I love the texture. Now on the inside of the cap you get 4 combs in total and your elastic straps. The front part is 13x4, only in the middle. On the sides it's like 1.5 inches, which you will see. I'm just showing you again really quickly the waves. Now I already have my stocking cap on. It's one of the ones that you get when you order a wig, so it's nothing special. And I am just starting to sew down the side to my braids on the side so that it doesn't shift and move around. I plan to wear this wig a couple of days. That is why I wanted to do the whole meltdown situation. So this isn't really a tutorial. I really just want to show you how I'm doing it. I haven't perfected this yet for me to be telling other people really how to do it, but this is what I did and it worked out pretty okay. I did get this technique from Style by Jordan. I'll put his Instagram right here so you guys, not his Instagram, his YouTube, so you can check him out. He's really informative. So I'm using my Got To Be to put around the perimeter, and then I'm going to cut my ear tabs. I have really small ears, as you can see, but I struggled with cutting that. I don't know what was happening. For one, my scissors kind of suck, and two, I just wanted it to be done really well. Like I said, it's not perfect. I'm not telling people to do exactly what I'm doing. I don't feel like I'm there yet, but I am showing you what I did in case you want to use these methods. Worked okay. Wasn't great, but it was okay. Now I'm going to follow up with the Got To Be spray and put it right on top of the gel. And then I'm going to blow dry it until it is completely dry. Once it's dry, it'll look clear, and then it's time to cut off the extra stocking cap. Now this part took me a while to do because I didn't like how close the stocking cap was to my eyebrow, so I kept cutting it back, going back and forth to cut it back. And really you just have to do that until it feels right, until it's a comfortable fit for you, I guess I should say. And then I took some foundation, my color foundation, which is a little weird for me because I wear foundation that's deeper than my skin tone, and I don't know, I kind of wish I didn't do that, and I don't like the way foundation feels on my head, so next time I probably won't do that. Then I'm going to use this Got To Be again to spray it on top. I don't know why. I've seen someone do that, but I don't remember who. Alright, so now it's time to put the wig on. My favorite thing about this wig, it fits my head so good, and I have a rather large head. It fit very comfortable, and I had enough space to do my baby hair and my sideburns without having to force it, I guess. So I cut off some space to where I could make my ear tabs, which is very important. And then I'm going in with my white pencil just to mark how the wig is sitting on my head. So after I put this glue down, I can line it back up perfectly. So I got that technique from someone on Instagram. I don't remember. I see so much stuff, like I can't remember everywhere I've seen everything, but it was a while ago. Someone on Instagram did it and it looked like it worked. So I'm trying it. Would I do it again? No, just because it made the lace a little bit too hard. So now I'm just combing and blow drying so it can dry. Then I go in to cut the lace off. Now this was my first time cutting my lace while the wig was on my head. I do like this technique, but it's not 100% perfect. Now this lace is a bit too dark, like a tad pinch too dark for me. So it's not as flawless as I would like, but it is good enough. I'm showing you now the parting space on the side. As the closer you get to your ears, the shorter the space is. I do wish that it came with more parting space. Look at that. Yeah, I just wish it came with more. So now I'm going to use this Care wax stick and I'm going to part my hair down the middle, define my part a little bit. About the knots, so they did not bleach at all. I left the bleach on for about 40 minutes nothing. So it was very hard for me to pluck it because the knots were so stubborn to pull out. So that's why it's not like super defined. Now the Care wax stick, I am parting my hair and just applying it, and then I'm going to use my hot comb to flatten it out. That's just the way that Jordan had styled the specific video I watched, and I wanted to do it too. So when I get more comfortable with this, I'm definitely going to make a video, like a detailed one, and share the best way I think you could do this. But for right now, I'm just showing you what I did do. So I'm using a concealer, the same one I used to clean up my brows, to define the part some more. And I'm going back in with my black eyeliner just to make sure that the part is not too wide, because I hate when parts look too thick. So besides the knots not bleaching, I think that was my only real issue. Them not bleaching and then making it harder for me to pluck it. I like to customize my wigs completely, so bleaching the knots is a must for me. I feel like this is the Nairobi foam wrap. I'm going to use that to style my baby hair. But I feel like when you don't bleach your knots, you don't pluck your wig, that's how you get that screen door part. And that's just not what we want. So baby hair, I've done baby hairs a million gazillion times, you guys. It's pretty simple. I like a lot of baby hair. I know a lot of people may not like that, and I'm gonna try and ease up on it. I've been doing good. I've been doing videos with no baby hair, with less baby hair, but today I'm going all out. I want all the baby hair. And in this video, I only have my eyebrows done because I always feel dirty when I have full makeup on and do my hair. I don't like the way that feels, so I like to start as bare as I can be. Once my baby hair are set into place, I'm just going to blow dry them. I couldn't find my scarf, so I could not lay them down, so I just blow dried them. With the Nairobi, you want to move kind of fast because it does dry pretty quick. Once it's dry, it's of course harder to mold it how you want it to be, so just move as quick as you can. So this is how the hair looks once it's all dried. I'm taking my eyeshadow. It's like a light brown. I'm just going to dust it over the part so it's not as bright, because when it looks too bright, it looks really, really fake. And then I'm just going over my sides. I shouldn't have did that because it isn't doing much for me, and that lace is a pinch too dark anyway. So as far as I know right now, there's nothing I can do to lighten a lace that's too dark for my skin. But I've been looking up videos. But anyway, for now, we're going to worry about this hair. I'm going to take this Garnier Fructis Shine Serum and put it all over my hair. And then it's time to wet it. Now, for this video, I only use water just so I could show you how the hair behaves with only water. I know a lot of people don't want to put conditioner and all that every single day. So this is how the hair looks without water. Will it frizz up? Yes. Do you need product to tame the hair? Yes. But if you don't want to do it and you have the patience, or you just like that big look, I definitely say water would work for you. But for me, not so much. Now it's time to wet my hair. My spray bottle broke, so I had to hold it upside down to use it. I did get this from Amazon. I will link it in the description if you are interested in getting one. It's a great water bottle. Mine just broke because I use it so much. Actually, I really don't know. I don't know how that broke because I just looked one day and it was broke. But anyways, this is just water. We're going to spray the hair, get her nice and wet, and then we're going to brush through it. If you aren't following me on Instagram, you guys, it's with Arielle_. Follow me. If you aren't subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Look how beautiful that looks. I really like how this hair came out. This was day one. I'm going to have another video showing you how I style the hair with product. That's going to be my next video. So be looking out for that. that is how I melted my lace. My way. I'm not saying it's the right way, but it's what I do for right now. Hope you guys like this video. If you do, leave me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.